and welcome to today's YouTube video. So as the title says, it's going to be a Shein haul. So let's get started. Let me start with something that I'm wearing today, which is this headband, which was a part of two set. So this is the second one that I have from the same set. These were pretty inexpensive, and by the way, I'll have all the prices listed also down below, so do check out information box for the same. So this is the headband. I'm wearing the same in this lighter color. It is a great accessory if you're wearing something simple, which I'm wearing today, and you want to jazz it up like quickly, do not have the time to match accessories or put on anything else, then just put on a good headband and you are done. So I have this one and I have this one. Totally obsessed with headbands. And moving on with my obsession with headbands, I also got this set, which is a simple headband but looks really nice, and this also came in a set of two. A little tip on if you're shopping on Shein, always make sure that you put in your filters. So I always go low to high, and I always see the sale section first, because if you see the full price section, of course you're going to love it and buy it, which does not make sense. Anyhow, so moving on to the next thing, I got this top from Shein. Why am I showing you the whole thing? By the way. Alright, so okay, so this is the top that I got. It has a very simple U. It's not U neck, I think it's a square neck, and I love the balloon kind of detail on the sleeves. It was on sale, of course. It was in the flash sale column, which I of course love to shop. I got this from there, and I have two of these because my mom also got it. So yeah, so I have that. So next we got a lot of loungewear, and we do not use night suits as night suits. We actually use them for like loungewear, being in the house. So a lot of times after taking bath, I put on a night suit instead of wearing an outfit, which I think is amazing because I work from home and those things keep me comfy. So yeah, I'm going to show you the night suits that we got. So these were all really inexpensive. So I got this one, which is a donut print, and it is of course full sleeves, and the bottom is this. It's pajama, and of course so the bottom is this. It's a pajama. I do not really like pajamas which are tight on the bottom because it makes you look a little bulkier. So this is the cute print that we got, and with this of course comes the eye mask. How cute is that? So that was the first one. Next we have same style night suit but in a different print. We have the same night suit in this starry print, which is again very cute. So this is the print. The fabric of these night suits is pretty nice. Here's the eye mask, and then here is the pajama. We have two more night suits. I just love buying like loungewear, so of course I go all out. This one is this very cute rainbow and moon, and it's just like very dreamy night suit. So yeah, this one is the pajama and the eye mask. Last night suit is the cutest. It has cherries on it. Super duper adorable. This is how the shirt looks like. Then of course the eye mask, and then the pajama. Moving on, I have two more tops which I shopped of course in the flash sale section, and I think these were under 300. I am wearing one of those. So I found this top in the flash sale section of course Shein. I love that it has the sleeve detail and this little like knitted kind of detail on it. Makes it very like, you know, it's simple but it still has some detail, so that's good. Okay, the next top is this one. Now this is a half sleeve top. It was for like, I think 200 rupees, and there was no way that I'm going to leave it. So it's a really nice loose kind of a summer top with turtleneck, and I don't know why I've got it in large size, but I'm going to find a way to wear it. So yeah, that is another top. I also got this gorgeous Cami top for 200 or 250. It is a perfect layering piece. I love the scallop detail, thin straps. It's definitely a must-have. Found it on the flash sale section. It is long enough to be tucked in, and it's a little bit looser, but if tucked inside a denim or a skinny anything, it will look amazing. Also, I got this gorgeous pink top with crew neck and pearl detail. It's a crop top and looks amazing with high-waisted denims and culottes, and I love the pearl detail. Also, while checking out, found this gorgeous starfish tray which was pretty inexpensive, so I added that to my cart along with this one, which is my favorite. It looks like a seashell, and these trays are really good quality. I have another set of these which I'm using to keep my keys and stuff. If you are looking for something like this, then I highly recommend these trays. Also was looking for some crochet style coasters, and I found a set of these coasters. They look like something which can be made out of crochet. Instead, they are made out of silicone and they look gorgeous. The only downside is that they come in a pack of these colors, which I am not into. I really like the pink color, and maybe the neon would do as well. But if you are buying this, then you have to buy the entire pack. But they were pretty inexpensive, so you can go ahead and try these. They get the job done, you can wash them easily, and I think they're total value for money. Lastly, I have another top which is the exact same one which I just showed you. I have two of those because I plan to gift it to somebody and I've totally forgotten who I got it for. So yeah, my Shein haul. Let me know if you also love shopping on Shein. I think I check it almost every single day. Then I hold myself back because shopping can be very addicting. So I stop myself from shopping, especially Shein. They have such cute stuff. So yeah, if you love shopping on Shein, let me know in the comment section. And if you find anything on amazing deals, share with us. I would love to check that out as well. That is all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please comment below, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as my online fam. And I think I'll see you in the next video. Bye.